Well, of course, it has already started out to be a rather bad fire season, and viewers in the Foothills are now finding out they may not have insurance for long.
A retired Colfax woman got a non-renewal notice and decided it was time to call Kurtis.
You know, especially with this drought, some insurance companies are pulling out of certain areas. Now, if you have a mortgage, you have to have insurance. So what happens if you can't find coverage?
I just try to keep it up as best I can.
But knowing she moved into a fire zone, Sandra Hatfield is continuously clearing brush around her 3 acres in Colfax. But now she got this. Liberty Mutual won't renew her insurance policy because her property poses an unacceptable risk for wildfire.
I was sick. I was just sick.
And now she's struggling to find an insurer.
It was a fire danger when I bought this, and they had no problem.
We've learned some insurance companies are using new sophisticated mapping systems, incorporating topography, even wind patterns to figure out fire risk.
We are seeing some insurers who are lightening their book of business in specific areas.
And Nancy Kincaid with the Department of Insurance says it is perfectly legal for a company not to renew your policy. So what if you can't find anyone to insure you?
If you can't get it anywhere, then the FAIR plan is where you would go.
All 100 insurance companies in California must belong to the FAIR plan, and they share profits and losses, but they will only issue you policies for fire and vandalism. Sandra doesn't like the hassle, but knows it's the price she pays for living with this view. After making dozens of calls, she finally found a new insurer. She's covered, but hopes she never sees flames tearing through this canyon toward her house.
This is where I want to retire and live out my days.
Well, CAL FIRE confirms she lives in a very high fire hazard zone. Rainfall is down more than 10 inches from normal. By the way, Liberty Mutual tells us it's not renewing 1% of its policies over fire risk. Now, if you have a mortgage and the banks require insurance, they may help you find a policy, but it may only cover the bank's losses, not yours.
A lot of people like to retire in the Foothills.
Yeah, a lot of people in the Bay Area. I grew up in the Bay Area, and my parents' friends, they've retired up into the Foothills. You really need to factor in this fire insurance cost, because it may seem like it's more affordable, but when you start adding up these fire insurance costs, it may not be in the long run.
Maybe hidden.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, if you have a consumer problem you can't resolve, maybe we can. Call our hotline Monday through Friday, or go to our website, cbs13.com/callKurtis,
and fill out that form. All right.